Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share you whether credit cards are friends or foe in our daily lives. Credit cards have been commonly available and we can see many promotional offers from different banks and other credit card companies in our daily mails. But at school we've been brought up with the idea that using credit cards is bad because of the interest charges on the purchases and the possibility that we might pile up debt over time. But what if I told you that you can reap benefits from using credit cards without paying any interest charges on your purchases? Well, if you're interested, continue watching. One of the reasons that I use credit cards is because of the cashback benefits. I personally used Bank of America cashback rewards card and Chase cashback credit cards. For Bank of America credit cards, I get from 1 to 3% cash back on every purchases depending on transaction categories. For example, I get 3% on travel categories and 2% on grocery purchases and 1% on other types of purchases. So worst scenario, I get 1% cash back for all the transactions. Suppose if I buy the travel related purchases, let's say air tickets for $1,000, then I'll get $30 cash back on my purchases by using credit cards. That's the opportunity that you cannot get by paying cash or paying with your debit cards. So isn't it cool? And another reason that I use credit cards is because of the security that it offers. We've been told that the money in our credit cards is not our money, it's bank's money. So in case if there is fraud issue happen or your credit card has been hacked, you are not personally liable with those issues because the banks offer insurance on the credit cards and you can easily file a report if those issues happen to you, so you can spend on your purchases with peace of mind. Isn't it cool? So right now I'm mentioning the benefits of using credit cards, but you might be wondering how I avoid interest charges on my purchases. Well, that's what I'm going to share with you right now. So when you use credit cards, you have to be aware of the deadline that it has. So there is deadline every month because billing cycle updates every month, and by the deadline you are responsible to pay back all the amount that you owe to the bank. So let's say if you spent $300 this month on your credit card, then you're responsible to pay back all $300 by the deadline before the billing cycle ends. And in that way you won't be charged any interest on your purchases and you can reap benefits without paying any interest charges. Otherwise, if you have to pay interest every month, then the rewards you get from credit cards are not worth it because the interest charges will be obviously higher than the rewards you can get. So if you are using credit cards, make sure you pay your credit cards back the full amount and on time. And here's a full disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I shared this video for information purpose only, so please use this information at your own discretion. I'm gonna wrap this up and see you in the next video.